In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix an EIN mismatch e-file reject in TurboTax. If your tax return was rejected because of an EIN mismatch, don't worry. This usually means the employer identification number on your W-2 doesn't match what the IRS or Social Security records expect. In many cases, the fix is simply to go back into your W-2 entry and carefully re-enter the employer information exactly as it appears on the form. To begin, open your return in TurboTax and go to the Federal section. This is where your income details and W-2 information are managed, so it's the right place to make corrections related to an e-file rejection. Once you're in Federal, move your cursor over Income. This will open the area where TurboTax stores earnings information like wages, salaries, and tax forms from employers. From there, click on Wages and Salaries. This section shows your W-2 entries and lets you add or adjust employer information. If the EIN was entered incorrectly the first time, this is where you can correct it. Next, click Add another W-2. Even if you're really trying to fix an existing issue, this option brings you into the W-2 entry workflow so you can re-enter the information properly. TurboTax may guide you through replacing or updating the incorrect entry after that. On the next screen, click Continue to move forward. You'll then be given options for how to enter your W-2 information. At this point, you can choose either to upload your form or type it in yourself. If you're dealing with an EIN mismatch, it's usually best to enter it manually so you can verify every digit directly from your paper or digital W-2. Go ahead and click. Type it in myself. This gives you full control over the entry and helps reduce the chance of another mismatch caused by scanning or import errors. Now enter the EIN exactly as it appears on your W-2. Take your time here. Make sure the numbers are in the correct order and double check for common mistakes like transposed digits or accidentally entering a number from a different box. It's also a good idea to compare the employer name alongside the EIN to make sure both match the same W-2. After entering the corrected EIN, review the rest of the W-2 carefully before continuing with your filing process. A small typo can trigger another rejection, so accuracy matters. Once everything matches your form, you should be in a much better position to submit successfully.